Good morning, sixth graders. I hope you had a good weekend. Saturday sure was a nice day. Hopefully you had a chance to get outside, get some fresh air. Yesterday, man, that was a really rainy day. Hopefully you were able to come up with some fun stuff to do inside. I know we watched a movie and my kids were working on Legos all day. While my wife and I were both trying to get some grading done for our schools. So today is Monday of week 8 of distance learning. This week we're going to be learning about waves and how they work. Today you're going to start off with a video that's going to be showing you some cool tricks that someone made of them. They're going to make a video of some cool tricks done with a Slinky. Slinkies really are a great way to see waves in action. Then Mr. Rocco's got a video set up here of a launch lab for you to do. It's a real quick lab using a glass of water, and then there's some notes and observations for you to fill in and a couple of questions to answer. So we're getting started on waves this week, and that's what you're going to be working on today. I hope you have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions. I will have Google Meet open this afternoon from 1:30 to 3 like normal. And so if you have any questions, please let me know, whether it's about this or some older stuff. Let me know and we'll help you out. Have a great day.